Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is a tutorial on connecting the Skydroid G16 to the Skydroid C12. The video is divided into 3 parts. What products are used in this test? How to connect the wiring? How is it displayed and controlled? What products are used in this test? The hardware used in this test includes the Skydroid G16 remote controller, Skydroid C12 gimbal camera, GR01 receiver, and a battery. The cables and adapters used include the C12 Ethernet power cable, Skydroid GR01 receiver power cable, and an XT60 to JST 1.25 adapter cable. How to connect the wiring? Using the C12 Ethernet power cable, connect the GH 1.25 7-pin connector to the POW plus LAN port of the C12 gimbal camera. Connect the GH 1.25 4-pin connector from the cable to the LAN port of the Skydroid GR01 receiver. After all wiring is completed, power on the Skydroid GR01 receiver first. And then power on the C12 gimbal camera. How is it displayed and controlled? Turn on the remote controller and open the gimbal FPV application. If no video is displayed after entering the application, tap the camera switch icon in the upper right corner and select the C12 camera. The camera image will then be displayed in the FPV interface. The first icon is the crosshair. The second is the reverse guideline. The third is the floating window. And the fourth is the parameter settings menu. Let's take a look at the fourth option. Gimbal control. AI tracking and 3 control modes are available and can be selected simultaneously. However, please note that gesture control cannot be used while AI tracking mode is enabled. AI serial communication diagnostics. Gimbal calibration. Calibrates the operating temperature of the gimbal to prevent abnormal operation caused by excessive differences between the ambient temperature and the IMU operating temperature. Gimbal fine-tuning. The gimbal has already been calibrated and fine-tuned at the factory. Do not click this option unless the gimbal has a problem. Working mode. Allows you to set the gimbal to either normal mount mode or inverted mount mode. Gimbal speed. Adjusts the movement speed of the gimbal. Pseudo color mode. Adjusts the imaging effect of the thermal camera. A total of 11 pseudo color modes are available. Virtual joystick control. The virtual joystick can be used to control the gimbal's pan and tilt movements and supports one-click centering. RC channel control. Control the gimbal's pan and tilt. as well as photo capture and video recording through customized RC channels. The 5 buttons on the right side are Center, one-click downward view, Global Center, Digital Zoom Plus, Digital Zoom, the 3 buttons on the left side are Screen Recording, Photo Capture, AI Tracking. Now click System Settings in the upper left corner. The available options include Video Stream Address, Video Switch, Enable Hardware Decoding, Use TCP Transmission for RTSP Stream. Set IP address, Encoding settings, Firmware upgrade, About version, Display telemetry data and video transmission bitrate. Click Encoding settings. Here you can configure image flip, view the camera firmware version, display the OSD, check the frame rate, view the GOP settings and modify the video bitrate. Return to the main settings page and copy the RTSP address of the C12 gimbal camera to display the corresponding video stream. Open Q Ground Control. Enter the Application Settings page, switch to the Video Settings tab. Set the video source to RTSP video stream. And paste the copied RTSP address into the corresponding field. Return to the Flight View page, and the live video from the C12 will be displayed normally. Additional note: if the Skydroid FPV application remains running in the background, the C12 gimbal camera can be directly controlled within QGC through the remote controller channels. This concludes the Skydroid G16 connecting to Skydroid C12 tutorial. Thank you for watching. If there is anything else you would like to learn about, don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel.